Once it made sense for you and you decide to go solar and you sign a contract, this will begin the journey. This stage is all about, I want to say, make sure they have everything they need to design a system that actually fits your home perfectly. Were you wondering what's the process like to switch to solar? How long does it take to stop buying energy from your electric provider and start generating your own on your roof? Generally speaking, there are 6 main stages to get solar panels installed on your roof and start saving money. Well, in today's video, I'll walk you through the first 3 stages. We'll cover stage 1, which is the site survey, stage 2, which is the design, and we have stage 3, which is the permitting. In the next video, we'll explore the final 3 stages, so make sure you stay tuned. You might already know, or maybe you didn't, one of the main reasons homeowners switch to solar is to have a predictable monthly energy bill. For instance, let's say you're paying $200 a month for electricity, and then there's an average rate hikes of 10% a year in the state you live in. You'll end up paying $220 every month the following year, and then $242 each month the year after that, and so on. I mean, of course, we're gonna have high usage months and there's gonna be low usage months throughout the year. This is just an estimation. With solar, homeowners will have a consistent monthly payment. In most cases, lower their bill by 20% to even 60% in some states. And after 20 years, they won't have any energy bills anymore. They will have an asset that generates free energy for them. What does it actually take to get those panels up there and start generating energy from them? Once it made sense for you and you decide to go solar and you sign a contract, this will begin the journey. Typically, it takes about 1 to 4 business days for the contract to be processed. And during this time, you might receive a welcome email with an introduction to the team handling your project and details on what to expect next. And if you decide to work with us, we have a mobile app that guides you through the entire process and updates you at every stage. The next step and the first stage is site survey, which usually happens within a few days after contract is fully processed. During this site survey, a team will visit your home and get all the information they need for the system design. They'll measure your roof, check the slope, take photos of your attic and any nearby trees. They'll also inspect your main service panel, look at the area for any potential ground mount if ever needed. This stage is all about, I want to say, make sure they have everything they need to design a system that actually fits your home perfectly. The process generally takes about 1 to 2 weeks, and you will likely receive updates through email and text. With the site survey information in hand, the design team finally gets to work. They'll create a detailed plan for your solar panels, including a computer-aided design drawing and an electrical diagram, both of which are required for your permitting. The design process usually takes about 1 to 2 weeks as well. If any changes are needed, someone will reach out to you to discuss them and get your approval. When the design is finalized and approved, it's time to get the necessary permits, which involves submitting the design documents to your local authorities. The permitting process can take 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how fast your local permitting office works. During this time, you'll get updates to let you know where things stand. And once the permit is approved, the project can move forward to the installation stage. So that's a brief overview of solar installation process. In the next video, we'll cover the final steps, which are installation, inspection, and getting permission to operate. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who can benefit as well. I'll see you in the next video.